Hey guys, today I'm gonna be playing some Subway Surfers. I totally love this game, but sometimes this game is just full of trolls. This game is just trolling. This game is just a troll. It's just trolling people. My friend, he had 500 keys in the game. He joined back in after having 2 days without playing. And they took all of his gem away. Took all of them. I mean, all the keys away. Every single one of the keys. Okay, for me, the keys I have. I don't know. Wait. Okay, let's go. Right now, I'm playing as Tricky. I just unlocked it. Sorry guys, I am a noob at this game. I am a noob. If you guys are wondering why am I talking so low, it's because I'm playing this at nighttime. And I'm trying not to get caught by my parents. My parents are right outside the door, talking in the living room. I'm just kidding. I'm at my stepbrother's house, in which he lives in Louisiana. Dang it, I missed the fan. He lives in Louisiana, and I'm here visiting for the summer. If you hear anything in the background, if you hear something in the background, something talking, that's my TV that's on. Cause right now, where I live, it's let me check really quick. It's 9:32. That okay, there it is. I have 10 TV left. Now boost. Home. Supposed to be at me. Rewards. Here you go. Okay. Missions. What? What? Okay, so let me go buy a mystery box. Okay. So let me do the 30 jumps it said. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Here we go. Here we go. Kitty. Kitty boys. Okay, that was dangerous. Okay, that was super dangerous. Okay, if you guys see this little bubble moving, I'm moving it so it doesn't go away and stops the recording. Today, when this video goes up, you guys will wait to do some weird BS. He does some weird BS. I'm not kidding. He does some weird shit. Okay, okay, okay. Chill, chill. Lay off the donut. That cup has to lay off the donuts and give me some donuts. Okay, 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 okay. See guys, that's exactly why I don't pick up those boots. I got it. I got a new advance car. Let's go. Stop right. Wow, let's go, Harry. With your stupid self. Go. I beat Harry by just a few. Okay, let's see what shits we have. Okay, so I'll do the 100, the 101, the 1,000 coins in one run, maybe. Okay, I don't know why I just did that. I'm sorry guys, I have to keep doing. Usually my crashes happen because of that. Because I have to keep moving that around. I have to keep, no! I have to keep moving that little bubble around. Just so the video doesn't stop recording. The video will, this video will be lasting for 10 minutes. Okay, hopefully that counts. Right now. Wow. Wow. That was really like an on purpose. Did that count? Does that count? Characters, let me go get my Jake on. I want to get Lee. The one thing I don't get, Lee costs less than Frizzy. And Frizzy is just a character that's here forever. They should make him, since he costs that this little, they should make him only cost like 30 something. 30,000. 30,000, like 25. 20. Something like that. So let's keep going. Let's keep going. I'm recording only a few minutes. Wow. Wow. Okay, if you're ever wondering, what the heck am I hearing in the background? What you're hearing in the background is I'm watching a TV show called Parker Place. It's a new show on Disney XD. It's really weird. Whoa. Yo, yeah. That was actually really cool. Actually, the double jump. Okay, sorry about that. Wait. I thought the double jump worked like the sneakers. That's how I thought it worked. Because I was trying, like, one day I was trying to jump over one of the trains. I was like, why isn't it flipping down? Why isn't it flipping? Okay, so this video is gonna be quite a stretch. No. QI. those little sneakers caused the death of many of these players in this game. Those sneakers, they caused the death of many players. No! Dang it, I used. Oh, I nearly hit that sign. So close. Okay. Come on. Chit, please stop here. Oh, dang it, we're just stopping on the roof. But we were. If you guys want me to play any games, leave it in the comments. Below. Leave it in the comments below to ask you. Telling me what game you guys want me to play. If you guys want more. Oh! If you guys want more of this game, I could turn it into. Oh wow! So I can make this into a series. Wow, I beat a lot of players. I could turn this into a series.